This episode is brought to you by PERLESMITH, specializing in flat screen TV wall mounts and carts. And I've been in desperate need for a new wall mount for my downstairs TV for a while now. This thing was terrible. The PERLESMITH full motion TV mount that I got fits most 32 to 35 inch TVs and monitors and holds up to 88 pounds. It's also able to hold the TV tightly and sturdy, which is what I'm looking for, and it's safe for the TV and the user. It has a wider wall plate suitable for different scenarios, and it saves space, making my living room look more organized so I can really enjoy my entertainment experience. This PERLESMITH TV mount is built to last, and it's UL certified, and it's confirmed through official lab testing that the stand can do up to 6,000 folds. And if you're looking for an easy way for your entertainment to be mobile, PERLESMITH also makes this rolling TV stand. It features lockable caster wheels with real bearings and a really heavy-duty base. I really appreciated how this stand seemed overbuilt for the weight of my TV, and it also had easy-to-read, clear instructions. Some extra features on the cart are this tray for your DVR, console, or remotes, as well as a mount for a front-facing camera if you need that for gaming.